G'day guys, Greg here. Now, if you've got the Domino's app or you ever ordered online, you probably would have received this email. Domino's getting into the burger joint industry. It says here, a burger made for delivery. Ooh. So anyway, let's go to the website. And here, well, they've got the burgers here. We've got the burger joint cheeseburger, a bacon cheeseburger, a hamburger, and a bacon hamburger. Now, they come in what I think is one size, but there's a huge discrepancy in price from $10.95 to $12.95 for the cheeseburgers, and the normal hamburgers are $18.95 and $20.95, but it doesn't tell you what size it is. If you click on here, it just says size and crust, and there's not much info there. So I'm just not sure if they're a bigger size, but there's a huge difference in price. But there's also mini cheeseburgers, so they've got all the top ones in a smaller mini cheeseburger price, from $5.95 up to $9.95. So I thought I'd grab the burger joint bacon cheeseburger pizza and the mini burger joint hamburger, suss them out and give them a go, see what they're like. So let's go get them. Alright, well here we go, the new Domino's burger joint pizzas. I got the large cheeseburger and bacon pizza and the small hamburger pizza. Now I did find out why the other ones were so more expensive, and it was because they got some onion and tomato on them. $8 extra for onion and tomato. Oh, alright, well, let's suss them out. Okay, well, let's start off with the hamburger pizza. Here it is. Oh, wow. That looks really pretty. And it's about a hand size for all you guys out there. And you can see, well, it's got the hamburger meat, some pickles. It's got some mayo and ketchup on there as well. And, well, it's looking pretty nice. All right, let's see the cheeseburger bacon pizza. Oh, whoa, boy, have a look at that cheese sauce on there. Cheese sauce! But it's got the hamburger meat. You can see the bits of bacon there with the pickles. And, well, apparently that's a cheese sauce. But, I mean, it's looking all right. Okay, well, let's start off with the hamburger pizza. It's looking pretty tasty. Those pickles look good. Look like nice pickles. As opposed to those pickles that aren't so nice. All right. Oh, boy. This mayo seems like really sweet. Oh man, that is like sickly sweet. And as far as flavour goes, well, I'm not tasting any hamburger. All I'm tasting is sickly sweet mayonnaise on a really thick doughy crust. I'm not getting any taste of hamburger whatsoever. Oh. This is almost inedible. Alright, well, let's try the cheeseburger one. Let's try some of this cheeseburger sauce. Classic cheeseburger taste. It tastes like the pickles and, well, mixed with maybe some ketchup or something. But it tastes really nice. Okay, don't fail me on this one, please. Please. Okay. Well, I can taste the bacon. It does have a slight cheeseburger taste about it, but nothing extraordinary. I've definitely had and made better hamburger pizzas than this one, that's for sure. I'm really trying to like this. Let me try this pickle. Man, they are really sweet. It's like there's just too much sweetness or sugar on this pizza. I mean, it tastes good, but it doesn't taste great. No. Well, I think I've had enough of these now to know what score they're getting out of 10. Well, this mini hamburger pizza, it's a decent size. $7.95 is probably a fair enough price, but really it's almost inedible. It's got this sweet mayo on there that it's so sweet, it's sickly sweet. And then you got the ketchup on there, that's sweet too. And these pickles, mate, they are sweet as anything as well. If this was a dessert pizza, it'd probably do all right. But as far as a hamburger goes, well, it doesn't really taste like a hamburger, and the sweetness of it is just so overwhelming that, well, it's almost inedible. And considering that the large pizza in this one costs an extra $8 for some tomato and a bit of onion, I just don't get it. And for that reason, it's getting a 2 out of 10. This cheeseburger with bacon pizza, well, out of the two pizzas, this one's the more edible one. And, well, it's not exactly loaded with, like, meats or anything. There's not much meat on there, and there's a piece of bacon per piece, but really, it's not really that loaded. It has got some cheeseburger flavours about it, but, I mean, it resembles a cheeseburger. It doesn't really taste like one at all. And for $12.95 for the large, it's much better value than $21 for the hamburger with bacon one. That's for sure. This one's adequate, but it's not great. So it's getting a 6.5 out of 10. Overall, these two burger joint pizzas are very underwhelming, and, well, one of them was almost inedible because of its sweetness. I don't know why Don's not getting me into that head office when they're trying these pizzas out. I think you need to, Don. You need to get me in there. You got a bunch of yes men in there instead of someone that's actually willing to say no. I'm always open for the invitation if you ever want me to come and give an honest evaluation, because today that's what you got. Sickly sweet and almost inedible to just okay and fairly average. Well, there's two of the new Domino's burger joint pizzas. Don't know how long this range will last on the menu, but we'll see. I hope it is successful for them. But by the taste of these two, I don't think it's going to be. Anyway, that's all today. Thanks for watching. I hope this review helps you decide what to try, what to buy, and what to avoid. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. I ate some pizza. See you then.
Ooh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are finger licking. Ooh yeah.
The bird doesn't even want it.